Chicken, hi. Who's the cutest bunny in the world? This is Chicken. Hi, Chicken. There, look. Sweetie Pie loves chicken.
Aww.
Yeah.
He's so fluffy.
The leader. You like chicken? Trixie, you like chicken? Stand up. Do something cute. Look at his bangs. Watch the kitty eat the rabbit. No, just kidding. Oh. There's Abby doing her homework or something. Hopefully. Chicken, come on. Hop. There you go. Did you jump on the table? Hop, hop, hop. Come on, say hi, Grandma. Abby, say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Grandma.
Oh, for Grandma?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Hi, Grandma.
Do something cute. Chicken.
Oh, I thought you meant me.
Say, Grandma, here's your close-up. Here's your chicken close-up. He was just outside. We brought him in because it's dark.
Don't be
Yeah,
scared.
he's much happier now. He's being nicer.
Yeah.
She. I call it he. It's a she. I found out it was a she when we went to get it fixed.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
I
all
like
for
to call
now.
it he.
Bye. There's Peter.
Bye,
There's
love you.
Trixie. There's Ernie watching TV. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye, chicken. You're not very excited, are you? The way he's moving. Yes, he's moving.